Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make a complete backup and restore on Google Drive. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Google Drive, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Backing up and restoring files using Google Drive is a straightforward and an easy process because backing up files ensures that you have copies in case of accidental deletion, hardware failure, or corruption. Especially if your files are encrypted or compromised by malware, a backup provides a clean version to restore. Well, as we all know, Google Drive is a cloud-based, so you can access your backed up files from any device with the internet access. Now, depending on the platform that you're using, if you're using the Google Drive on the desktop application, the Google Drive on the web browser, or the Google Drive app on your mobile device, it's the same process, right? Now, for example, you wanted to back up this specific folder and file. All you're gonna do, one of the methods is right-click. You can click on download. All right. So after that, make sure you have transferred this file to another safe place as a means of backup. All right. That's one method. Now, the next option is I need you to hover to the upper right corner, click on your profile icon and click on the manage your account. Once you are inside the Google One account right here, you see I'm already full, like 84% of storage use, and I need to back up and store some files here in Google Drive, all right? Because I won't be able to save files since I have a limited offer and access to Gmail and Photos. Now, once you're here, I need you to click on the storage. What will happen is, you see, I have notified 84%, so I cannot do anything beyond this point if I exceeded the 15 gigabyte storage shared across a lot of this one. I need you to hover down below where you can find the option to back up your device. All right, this is one of the easiest way for you to back up if you're using the Google Drive on the web browser. You see, there's going to be a drop-down menu, backup data in the cloud, and manage device storage with the Google One app. And what you can back up are Android device, which is we're going to show later. All right. MMS messages and attachments and photos and videos. Of course, if you're an iPhone user, for iOS, Google Calendar, Google Contacts, Google Photos, photos and videos, and more. Once you are inside your Google Drive app on your mobile device, I need you to hover to the left side panel where you can see the option that says backups. Just click on it. You see, there's going to be an option that says backing up to a different account. This device is back up to a different account. Of course, if the existing email is no longer in use or has been compromised, I highly suggest you click the change account. All right, so put in the updated email address so you can move forward and have a peace of mind that you can restore and back up any files in case you needed it. All right. Now, when you click on the change account, what will happen is you would be able to see all the backups that you have done here on this device or on your account. All right. We have a separate video on how to back up on WhatsApp using your Android device. And this is one of the easiest way. Now, the next option that you can explore is you need to go to your Android phone or iPhone settings, go to the storage function. Make sure that the storage is not going to be exceeding the limit because it would create malfunction error on your phone. Make sure you're in the safe threshold. After making this up, you can click the cleanup button here to make sure that you need to delete and remove unnecessary files in this section. After that, you need to click on exit and go to the bottom where it says Google. All right, click on it. Now, after clicking that, you see you have an option here for recommended. You can find your device, download the app, or open the web to locate and password manager. But we're not going to deal with that. Instead, click the all services tab right beside recommended. And there's going to be an option that says services on this device, which is backup. I need you to click on it. Now you see there's going to be an account storage wherein I'm already exceeded the 89%, 13 gigabyte of 15, so I'm gonna delete some necessary files later. But of course, I click the backup by Google One. Because we have done that, we sync that on our Google Drive on the web browser to our device. Now, your device backs up automatically over Wi-Fi after it's been idle and charging for 2 hours. You see, if you haven't done so, just click on the backup now option. What will happen is it's backing up now, so you just have to wait and see and follow the on-screen instructions, alright? These are some details that has been backed up. Apps, photos and videos, SMS and MMS messages, call history, device settings, Google account data, and of course when you click on the advanced settings, you have an option to back up using mobile or metered Wi-Fi data, but again, you make sure that charges may apply. For example, you're using cellular or mobile data, when you're on the go, you're gonna be charged for that, so be careful with it. Now, if you click on the advanced settings, you would be able to go to the Google Drive help if you need further assistance, especially that you're having problems backing up and restoring your files on your Google Drive account, be it on the web browser, the desktop application, or on your mobile. I need you to go to the describe your issue, type your question, and press enter to see if we have related topics that we could read and discover too. Okay? Now, if you don't, there's an option here that says post to the help community. I need you to click on this option because we're going to exhaust all methods and options and we're going to explore. Click on the post a question. After that, maybe type in a short summary of your issue. You can also put in an image as a supplemental file. And once the attachment has been added, you can hover down below and select a category. And that's going to be maybe Google One membership, maybe storage plans, is it? And then one of the active members in the community will give you insights and troubleshooting steps if in case you encounter any issues or problems along the way, making a complete backup and restoring on your Google Drive. Alternatively, you can simply hover down below where it says contact us option, click on it, and from here just type in your question again, click on next, and just follow the on-screen prompts. All right, one of the Google Drive support staff will likely give you a detailed explanation and insights on how to potentially fix the backup and restoring problems on Google Drive. All right, by utilizing Google Drive for complete backup and restore, you can ensure that your data is protected, accessible, and easily manageable, providing peace of mind, and of course, enhancing your overall data security. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.